Today I want to use the Custom Shape tool to add a shape of a giraffe to the image. So I've got my text, Giraffe Adventures, but I also want to use a small clip art of a giraffe that I can fill with the same color pink. So I'm going to go to my Shape tool, and I'm going to go down to the Custom Shape tool. Up here I have my custom shape, I have my fill and stroke, and I can click, and right now for our examples we have 4 different categories. I'm looking for a giraffe, so I'm going to look in the wild animals section, and then I'm going to choose the giraffe. Over here I can choose a fill color that would be the same as my text, and maybe a stroke that's white. I've got my shape builder tool, and I've drawn my shape, and here it is. If you notice, it places it on its own layer. If I want, I could also go and I could adjust the image and resize it as needed. But I think I'll leave it just like that. So I've actually repositioned this a little bit, and I'm like a little bit better down here. So again, Giraffe Adventures, and all I did was go to the Shape, Custom Shape tool. Over here I can click the down arrow and I can click the items, and I can look for a small thumbnail or large thumbnails. And right now for what we have categories for flowers, boats, wild animals, and some trees.